Now I want to talk a little bit about our amazing incense. All our incenses are coming from India, from Maroma. Maroma is a company that was built in the 70s that is part of Auroville. Auroville is in the south of India, near Pondicherry, and their philosophy is beauty and perfection. They are all fair trade, where it's Maroma who are employing everybody from the villages around, and they're only using products that are also from around. The quality of those incense you cannot compare to anything else in the world. Me, I have a long story with Maroma incense. It's the way that I grew up when I was young, and I forgot about them. And while we were on a trip to the Caribbean islands, there was a store who was selling those, and I remembered that, oh, I remember those incense. And one of the incense that I was really, that my love was, so all those 10-pack one, 10 incense inside, and my favorite originally was Oriental Orchid. They are all again natural, fully natural, and they do not leave residue in the air. You need to know that a lot of incense, well, they might smell good, but it leaves inside the air some chemical residue that are not good for your lungs. Those ones, it's not the case. Those ones are really, really amazing. 100% natural. So there is lots of different ones, of course. So we have the amber, the cedar wood, the sandalwood, the lotus, the lavender, lemongrass, orange, opium flower, myrrh, musk. We have lots of different varieties, and we have a lot more than what you can see on the video here, as we have so many. We are so passionate about Maroma products that we do not have them all here. They will be all on display for the open house. We have also some different lines. So one of them is what we call the aromatherapy incense, when you have clear mind, uplifting, recharge, stress away. And so they come actually in incense, but they are also coming in liquid form as perfume for the house, and they are absolutely incredible. You can also on yourself. So these are the 10 packs. Now we have also the 50 packs. 50 packs comes so like a bigger, and so of course it's, when you look at per incense, the 50 packs makes more sense. But so of course you have 50 of the same incense. Like when you buy like the 10 packs, of course you can have for the same price a lot more different varieties. The Kalki products are really for a ritual somehow related incense. So we are talking about abundance incense, the fulfillment, gratitude, inner peace, morning offering, silent prayer, evening offering, devotion, clarity, blessings. So those ones are quite more spiritual incense. The other ones are incredible, but they are more for relaxing, for making the ambient air really nice. And of course, with a little taste of like sandalwood would bring you, of course, a feeling of a temple, frankincense. All those ones are really quite incredible. But the Kalki line is quite really amazing. We also have what we call the Guru. Guru are also 50 packs, and so they are, we'll say, more blends. Those ones, yes, of course, there is more than one essential oil in those incense, but the blend on the 10 packs are more about trying to bring one note. Those ones, no. Those ones, they are bringing a lot of different notes. It's like a music. You can really feel the music in the air with all your senses when you are using the Guru incense. We have also the same one that is called Sama. And so Sama and Guru are the same thing. It's really like bringing like a lot of different level of the tones of the smell. Now we have also little leaf, and the leaf are really good as smudging, for smudging. This is a product that is incredible for smudging, and you do not use a full leaf. So you will start the leaf and it will last for a long time. So you will use maybe a fifth of the leaf each time you want to smudge your house or you have a ceremony. A lot of people who have trouble with the real sage or real frankincense as really burning, like as pure, I'm talking not as incense, but like in India we burn like really like here the sage or the frankincense or the cedar, and it's extremely strong, but it's still you will not get an allergy from it. So this is really smudging. So it's not really, you cannot compare with a regular incense. This is a lot stronger than the regular incense. We have, of course, some incense holders, and they are absolutely beautiful. They are recycled aluminum, and so you have one that is flat and long, and one that has beautiful design inside, and it is like a beautiful piece. They are heavier than the wood one, and the difference too is that they will not burn often, and maybe you are looking for that, but so they will not burn. They will stay always the same. 10 years from now, they will look as gorgeous as they are the first day. Now I want to finish the incense with the different gift sets. So we have a few gift sets that are actually beautiful. Inside you have four different like the regular incense. So this one is called balsamic wood. So you have cedar, sandalwood, pine, and juniper. So 10 sticks. So this one will be a 40 pack with a little stone to be able to put your incense. So it's a really amazing, beautiful packaging gift for Christmas, and they smell incredible. And all of them will be different incense, of course, and different design. This one is the Asian Delight. Inside you have Oriental Orchid, Lotus, Jasmine, and Yang Yang. Same thing. Comes with a different leaf for you to hold the incense. We have Floral Nocturne, that is tuberose, frangipani, orange blossom, and champak. Again, 10 of each, so pack of 40. Incredible gift for Christmas. So those ones are more floral. This one is more herb, so herb chest. So lavender, rosemary, cinnamon, vanilla, and lemongrass with a green holder. And the last one is timeless treasure. Again, beautiful packaging for Christmas. Frankincense, white sage, patchouli, and lavender. And again, 40. Incredible. So these are incredible gifts for people you love. This is about all for our incense.